Guys, what's up? This is my morning voice. I'm just going to be taking you guys to my first spin class. I'm running late, actually driving, like literally driving 2 minutes late already. And yeah, it starts for 9. So I'm taking this class at Fitness Connection, and I'm just checking up on you guys real quick before I take you guys. Hopefully I'm going to be able to vlog, because I realize that I'm a very shy vlogger. I'm like, I feel shy, I feel awkward, I feel like people are staring at me when I'm vlogging. So I'm always really concerned about that. But anyways, if I see that it's the nice spot to vlog, then I'm gonna be vlogging. And I'm just checking up on you guys. Hopefully you guys are doing okay. You know, it's that time and season where I just feel like in this is the generation where you have to really be checking up on people, like, how you doing for real. And guys, if you're dealing with anything, and I mean anything for real, just get yourself out of the house, do some physical therapy, go to the gym, just do something. That has been, like, you know, one of my own physical and mental therapy, just going to work out. And speaking of working out, you guys are coming along with me, and we are right here. I'm at the gym now, so hopefully I can vlog, and pray for me to stop being a shy vlogger. It just becomes awkward at some point, you know. It's just awkward sometimes. Anyways, guys, hopefully this is an exciting vlog. So if you've ever been thinking of, you know, joining a spin class, yeah, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys what it looks like. Hopefully you might catch a glimpse of the whole gym, and yeah, like a mini gym tour. But I'm late, I don't want people to take all the bikes, so let's go. Booyah! To start, so I'm still kind of early. So guys, we're still yet to start, so I'm still kind of early. Yay, let me show you guys my outfit. This is my outfit. I got this from Lovely Wholesale. This is a gym set from Lovely Wholesale. My Adidas sneakers. I got my gym bag, my water, my vlogging cam. Yay!
Here, just go ahead and spin your legs around for me. Alright, so we're going to set up this console.
Okay.
Alright. I want to show you a little bit about how this works. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do power training. No. Since this is your first time, we're going to set you at very low. You might be a triathlete. I don't know, right? But we're going to pretend you've never done this class before, because I'd rather it be too easy instead of too hard.
Yeah.
Okay? Here, it doesn't really matter what weight we put, because the next number is always 110.
Okay.
When we put very low, this number is always 110. So regardless of your gender, regardless of your weight, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna keep it at 110 to keep it nice and easy for you. Are you wearing a chest strap heart rate monitor?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna just select no here. And then this is the important part, we're putting on color mode, okay? And so with color mode, so actually I'll have you read this real quick.
Can I exercise? Okay.
Yep. All right, so with color mode, this is going to light up in different colors. Go ahead and start pedaling for me. So it's white.
Yeah.
This is our white zone, this is our easy zone.
Okay.
Okay, keep those pedals moving. All right, so when we wanna make it harder, we're gonna pull this little red handle down. Keep pedaling fast though, okay? And now we're in the blue zone. We're in zone 2, and keep going. Now we're in zone 3.
Okay.
And after zone 3 is zone 4, and that's yellow. And after zone 4 is zone 5, and that's red.
Okay.
All right? Right now we're just pedaling nice and easy at our zone 1. So I'm gonna take the gear off a little bit. There we go, we're down in our white.
Oh.
Okay? Any questions you have for me?
The seat, I feel like it's kind of uncomfortable.
Oh, it's very uncomfortable. Yeah,
Okay.
it is very uncomfortable. So you'll notice if you decide you want to ride a lot, or you see riders outdoors, you see instructors, we all wear these shorts with cushions. And
I figured there should be something. There has to be something to
and
fit.
we always wear cushions. Yeah,
Okay.
these are not comfortable. I will tell you, if you keep riding, if you keep doing this, you're gonna get used to it. If you come, let's say every Saturday, You're gonna be used to it in 3 weeks. You're gonna be like, oh, that's nothing.
Okay.
You just have to get your body used to it.
All right.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
How do your legs feel as you're spinning around?
Good. Pretty good.
Okay, good. Any other questions for me?
No, not really.
Okay.
Just excited to start.
Good, good, good.
We're here for about 30 seconds, and then we're going to peel back the gear and make it blue. All right, slow those pedals down, 65 to 75 RPM. Adjustment to the gear, no adjustment to the speed. We're going to take it out of the saddle into a standing climb in about 15 seconds. Out at the corners, hips above the seat. Keep the gear, keep the speed. We sit back down in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Have a seat. I want you to push the little red handle towards me just a little bit, turning from yellow to green in 3, 2, 1. Make it just a little bit easier. Same speed.
Guys, look at all that sweat. Like, look at all that sweat. And I think it's just been 30 minutes and we're sweating. So guys, the zones, and let me just tell you, this seat's uncomfortable, okay? So he was telling me that they have something called the biker shorts that kind of pads, you know, their butts. Else this is quite uncomfortable. But other than that, draining, a very good workout. What's up, guys? Yay! I'm done with my class. I'm so excited to have survived that class. So the only thing that I didn't enjoy was the seats. Like, no one told me. I've been cycling before, but the seats just weren't this uncomfortable. So he said the seats are not made to be comfortable, right? So they usually have like this biker shorts that has like some cushion in it, you know, sewn into it, so it kind of cushions the effect. So he had it on and he was showing me. So he was saying I could just get like a cushion seat for like $12 in a Walmart. That's the only thing I didn't enjoy about the class. Other than that, it was good vibes. And guess what, guys? My instructor also does, you know, editing videos, which is like my main struggle as to why I'm not consistent on YouTube. So he was saying how we should link up. He said he was watching me getting the videos and he wished, you know, he could help me get like better angles, because he saw how I was struggling, because it was a struggle trying to get good angles and nobody to film you, and I just feel shy vlogging. So when I don't go with my camera stand is just my phone that I'm vlogging with right now. So I just feel it's more natural, because some people don't like you know, including them in their videos. So you have to kind of be conscious, and kind of when you get into the wherever new place you're trying to vlog, you have to see the vibes, like, okay, is it good vibes, is it a good place to vlog? That's why I really don't do vlogs. I'm always conscious of people. I don't want people giving me an attitude just because I'm vlogging. You know, there's some people that are like, oh my god, please don't put me in the video, which I understand, you know, I get you, but you know, because this is like our job or like a side hustle for us, so we have to kind of get good content. But I understand that some people are private, they don't want to be on camera, they're not prepared for that, they're shy and stuff like that. So that's the major reason why I don't vlog, because I'm conscious of people, and I'm also a shy vlogger, so I'm kind of getting out of my zone. There's some places where I really do not care, you know, because I'm like, I'm gonna get this shot regardless. Anyway, I digress. So he was saying how we could link up. So he followed me on Instagram, he checked out my Instagram page and he followed me, said he was going to send me a DM so we can link up, and he would give me like, you know, good angles, like edit for me, or kind of do like videos for me and stuff like that. So yeah, good vibes, guys. I was so excited. I was like, yay! Editing, which is my major struggle. So I feel like this is the year that we're gonna get to like 10K. Fingers crossed, guys. I know it's gonna take a lot of work from me, and it's not like a do or die affair, but I would love to, right? Like, it's just a number that just kind of signifies that, okay, you're doing something right. So that's just the major thing. So it was like, oh, definitely he loves editing. That's like his thing, and he's an instructor, so he does a bunch of stuff and all that. Yeah, ignore the sweat, guys, but you know what, it's a raw vlog, and I just came out of the gym, so deal with it. Because some people like vanity. They're like, you have to be perfect, everything has to be slayed. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm so excited. The class was good. So my first spin class experience was good. It was great. It was just good vibes. Other than the seats, it's a great workout. It really is a great workout. You start sweating. Definitely underrated workout. But I see why people cycle a lot. I really do see why people cycle a lot. And I'm so excited for new content and other stuff that I'm going to be doing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, the good vibes. I'm out, y'all. Booyah!